Hello, guys. My name is Jeremiah Batak. Welcome, and thank you for watching this video about ForcepointONE. So today we're going to go over ZTNA. There's going to be a series of video that I'm going to be breaking down for you, so that it's easier to digest, and it's better that way. So at a high level, what we're going to do is we're going to do whiteboard session just to give you an idea on how we set up our ZTNA connectors. Also, how to configure it, what type of form factor our ZTNA connectors come with, and we're going to go over the installation, setup, and also the configuration in the ForcepointONE admin console. So this is the first video, and let us start. So I'm going to share my whiteboard screen here. Just a sec. All right. And I hope you are seeing a blank screen that is loading. Okay. We're going to do a new drawing. So at a high level, okay, so you have your users here. They have laptops. Okay. And they're connecting remotely. Either this can be a BYOD device or an endpoint that have the Smart Edge agent. Okay. And then we have our ForcepointONE infrastructure. And we have on-prem. So let's just say I have two servers here. This is on-prem. This represents the customer's main office. Okay, so they might have Splunk here. Okay, and then they might have our solution DLP. So they might have a FSM over here. All right. So the goal and the main function of ZTNA is to access internal application without the use of one second, without the use of VPN. Okay. Traditionally, the old way of connecting to internal applications is the users will have to activate. Let me change the color here. They will activate their VPN. Okay. Client, the VPN client have to have an updated VPN profile. They also should have access to VPN servers. Okay. And you have your firewall here. Can be Palo Alto, Juniper, whatever it may be. So the users will connect to the firewall directly, gets an internal IP address, and then from there, he will be able to access these applications. But not only that, though. When this computer gets an internal IP address, it can also access other resources in the network. That's another flaw the VPN has. So, for example, this laptop get infected with a malware. Since it's actually part of the network now, there's a good chance that it might infect other computers. Okay. Now, with the ForcepointONE scenario, we install our ZTNA connectors. Okay, these are physically, well, I'm not saying physical. Okay, they're you can it runs on a Unix-based operating system. Okay, in this case, we are using CentOS for our example. Okay, CentOS 7, I believe. .6. And then all we're going to do is activate or run the script to configure the ZTNA, ForcepointONE ZTNA, and copy and paste the key. Okay, this is a unique value that basically established the connection between the ZTNA connector to the ForcepointONE infrastructure. Okay, so when the customer purchase our solution, we will spin up this instance in the cloud. Okay, and they will have access to it. They will have admin, and then they will be able to access all of that good stuff. So now, the new way, the users now will go straight to ForcepointONE login. They can either use our existing or built-in IDP SSO feature. Okay, that's built in with our ForcepointONE, or they can use their own, maybe Okta or IDFS. Okay, and then from there, after they validate their identity, this now connects directly to the ZTNA connector. All right, and this is connected using IPsec. Okay, it is a secure protocol communication that is used by firewalls to establish connection between each other. So it's highly secure. Okay, and then now from here, now the connector, okay, ZTNA connector, can have access to these internal application. Okay, so that is pretty much it. Okay, I'm just gonna put the title here. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Jeremiah Baytak, and I thank you for watching this video. On the next one, what we're going to do is we are going to configure ForcepointONE ZTNA connectors. How do we configure it? In this example, we're going to be using Go4 Labs, which is an internal ForcePoint lab that we use as SEs to basically set up our lab or even help out with the customer with their POC engagement. So that's it. I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and let's jump to the second one. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye-bye.